Hey, thanks for joining us. You know, Brian, we just did a video on transmissions and is it, cheaper to repair, replace, or how do you know? What about CVT transmissions? Are those more expensive to repair than a regular transmission?
Yeah. Well, they can be.
They seem complicated.
It's close.
It's
close. It's a whole different animal. And for those that don't know what a CVT is, continuously variable transmission. They don't actually shift. The idea is fantastic for principle, right? You can control the engine and put it in a more efficient state, keep an efficient throttle percentage, RPM, and all that. And they don't shift. And some people don't like that, the way it feels, because it's so different what we're used to. We talked about that.
I have one. You just press the pedal, it just goes faster and faster and faster and faster. There's no
RPM just stays there.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Right. Yeah. No change, no up and down.
Yeah. But what they're doing now is they're programming little hiccups basically in it, so it feels like it's shifting.
It's like a haptic thing. So people just want it there.
It's kind of like a haptic thing, right? Back to the question: does it cost more to replace or repair? You should still do fluid service on it.
Okay.
Just like an oil change or any other fluid service, even though it's not recommended. You want it to last longer, do a fluid service, at least at 60 or 80,000 miles or something like that. But nobody is rebuilding those transmissions. There's no rebuilders out there doing it because there isn't parts or whatever it is, nobody's into it. So it's just take the unit out, you put a new one in.
Plug and play. That's it.
Plug and play. I mean, it's laborious.
Oh no, I'm sure. But I mean, there's really. So in other words, if somebody sees somebody going, I'm a CVT transmission rebuilder.
Yeah,
they're probably not.
They're probably not. Right.
Wow, that's interesting.
I wouldn't go that route.
Well, so and it's about what you say comes about the same price.
It's about the same price.
Okay.
And there's a range on CVTs depending on what model it is. Yeah. And there's a range on other ones too, right? Because all these cars now, they're not 3 speeds anymore. They're 8, 10 speed transmissions. They're not cheap to rebuild either.
Well, can I ask, is it a little quicker then if you have to have a
yes.
CV? Yeah.
Yes.
You might be out that day.
We could turn you. Well, you got to order it and you get it next day. But it's possibly a 2-day turnaround.
Yeah, that's nice rather than waiting around. So
hey,
if you got a CVT, there's your answer. It's really no different than getting a regular transmission replaced. So if you miss the old hitching, the gear shifting, apparently they're coming out with cars in the future that'll do that for you. So in the meantime, just do what I do, just pretend, Hey, if you want to see more videos and learn some more about your car from this guy, because he knows a lot about it, visit the website. It's WeberAutomotive.com.
Thanks, Randy.
Sure.